Perhaps the highlight of Bakken is one of its oldest rides, Rutschebanen. At 72 feet, the wooden roller coaster dominates the skyline and encircles the park. It reaches a top speed of 34 miles per hour. Rutschebanen required brakemen to ride along, manually slow, and bring its trains to a stop until 2010 when more modern trains were introduced. Other coasters, all of which are steel, include Tornado, which features spinning cars, Vilde Mus, a wild mouse-style ride that includes abrupt, hairpin turns, Train Ulven, a family coaster that hits a top speed of 40 miles per hour, and Mariehonen, a kiddie coaster. Among other thrill rides are TårnGyset, a drop tower ride that climbs about 100 feet, and SkyRoller, a flat ride that flips passengers 360 degrees. The pendulum ride, SuperNova, also sends passengers head over heels. Van Rutschebanen, the park's log flume ride, soaks passengers and helps cool them down on hot, summer days. Spogelsestoget, Ghost Train, is an old-school dark ride with loads of gags and jump scares. Participants in the group game, Crazy Theater, enter the auditorium, sit in seats equipped with interactive shooting devices, and aim for targets projected onto a large screen. The 5D cinema combines 3D footage with special in-theater effects and motion-equipped seats for an immersive experience. Bakken offers several rides geared specifically for younger visitors. These include the children's Ferris wheel, the Little Train, which snakes around the park's grounds, and Svanebanen, a monorail-type ride that travels among the tops of the park's ancient trees in vehicles that look like swans. Spinning rides include Dizzy Ducks, the Frog, and Kangaroo. The latter two jump up and down as well as spin. Small kids can drive their own cars on the park's Jeeps ride. Bakken.